अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ मीराल इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में देगा बेल आइकन बटन को भी दबा दें ताकि हमारे आने वाले इस नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज वीडियो के जानवर। मैं आपको बताऊँगी आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन। What is art and design? Covering a vast range of skills and talent, art and design is a diverse subject that will help you turn your creative passions into a money-making career. So whether you want to build text, design, history, or tracing human, or you want to play a role in what the next five looks like, this subject will help you improve your talents and pursue your dream. Art and design students are highly instructional and self-motivated, both qualities that you learned on your journey to becoming an artist. Our qualification in art and design is not just about pencils and pictures. You will also learn all about the business and management side of the industry, which is vital of succeeding in a very competitive job market. Whether you want to study art and design at university or ventures into an apprenticeship, here are a few facts and figures to help and decide. Art and design course and entry requirement. As it is such as a broad subject, you have a lot of options when it comes to applying of the most art and design degree. Obviously, the most useful subject to have studies would be art and design or design and technology, but you can also show your creativity with other subjects like photography, fine arts, and product designs, portfolio, and also very important for art and design applicates. If you are considering taking a foundation level course, first there are many colleges and universities who offer different opportunities. Make sure you research the modules that best suits and you before you go on and take a full undergraduate degree. Remember, you do not have to take your undergraduate degree at the same university or college that you took for foundation, and you can choose a different providers for each if you decide to do so. Good art and design students are inquisitive, creative, driven, and open-minded. Be sure to evidence these qualities in your personal statement and give example of how they influence your work depending on your specialism. You may want to highlight specific skills for your chosen branch of art and design. For example, if you are leaning more towards the design route, you will want to show your talent with computer aided design technology and physical materials. What you will need to do apply by the January deadline. Set a personal statement, submit a portfolio, and interview. What you need to do audition for a place, pass an interview test, show work experience. Can I study art and design if I am not good at drawing? You're absolutely. Drawing is only a very small part of art and design, and for many specializations, it is not involved at all. You should be able to sketch and express your ideas. For talent with a pencil or paintbrush is far from necessary. Find out what studying art and design is like. What is study art and design at university? Art and design is a very passionate subject, so you should have an interest at it. Whether you want to spend 3 years studying it, some branches of the subject will give you good employment opportunities, but compared to many degrees, it does not have the best job prospect. However, it will give you skill, talents, and abilities to run your hobby and passion into a career that will make your money. An art and design degree will teach you to think outside the box, which will help you in your assignment and portfolio, but also your job search, creative, and find themselves working in the most amazing place, ranging from the festival, exhibition, and event to celebrity functions and royal paradise. Carving out a place for your individual style is important in this industry, and you will soon become in the diamond if you focus on what makes you special. An art and design degree will help you do this as you find yourself under the tutelage of the experienced artists and surrounded by like-minded peers. You will also develop an network in art and design industry as important advantages such as a fast moving environment. Placement connections are extremely important, and there is no better place to make them and that university. Some modules you may study are reflection analysis, art technology, and internet art and business. Study practice of graphical skills, professional skills in the art and design object and experience. Is it hard to find a job in art and design? Therefore, not denying that the art and design industry is competitive, but the UK creative sector is internationally famous and there are lots of opportunities to prove your worth. हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।